Welcome! Ever wonder about those massive projects in America that just seem to miss the mark? Today, we're diving into the most useless, costly, or simply baffling things America ever built. From extravagant infrastructure to bizarre design flaws, these projects highlight the cost of ambition and sometimes poor planning. We'll be exploring several examples of construction and conceptual projects that, despite massive investment, yielded questionable value or faced severe criticism. Before we start, how are we defining useless? For this video, it means projects with severely compromised functionality, excessive cost relative to benefit, or those that simply failed to meet their intended purpose. First up is a very specific, yet massive component of the Alaska pipeline, the ice sculptures. This might sound strange, but it's part of the Trans-Alaska Pipeline System. The core purpose of the pipeline is to transport oil, but specifically, these structures were designed to stabilize the permafrost, preventing the hot oil from melting the ground and destabilizing the pipeline supports. While necessary in some sections, many argue the method chosen, massive radiating fins and cooling systems resembling strange ice sculptures, was overly engineered and incredibly costly compared to simpler insulation solutions. Next, we head to San Francisco and the infamous Walkie-Talkie Tower, or more formally, the Salesforce Tower. Though a functional office building, its unique concave glass design earned it severe public criticism. It infamously focused sunlight onto the street below, melting car parts and creating intense heat, earning it the nickname, the Sun Scorcher. The huge cost of this landmark, combined with the need for immediate, costly retrofitting to mitigate the sun-scorching effect, makes it a poster child for form over function. Our third useless build is a transportation project, the New Jersey Skyway train, also known as the Newark Airport Extension, a portion of which was highly criticized. The line was designed to connect Newark Airport with surrounding transit hubs, but facing huge delays and cost overruns, it launched into a system where existing infrastructure already served many of the intended routes, leading to low ridership outside of airport travelers. Even with minimal use, elevated transport systems are expensive to maintain. The Skyway represents a massive initial investment, followed by ongoing maintenance costs that greatly outweigh its utilization rate. Finally, let's look at a useless concept rather than a physical structure: the warning signs on Colorado's $1 Million Highway. The $1 Million Highway is a beautiful stretch of U.S. Route 550, but signs along the route often suggest it's far more dangerous than it is, exaggerating its hazards, which locals find mostly baffling. Locals often view it as a perfectly drivable mountain road, while tourists, guided by the signs and dramatic name, approach it with excessive caution, creating unnecessary traffic and stress. From extravagant designs to over-engineered fixes, these projects show that even with the best intentions, ambition can sometimes lead to wasted resources. The total financial and opportunity cost of these projects could have funded numerous successful necessary infrastructure improvements across the nation. The lesson here is the need for rigorous planning, cost-benefit analysis, and prioritizing function over grand yet ultimately useless designs. Thank you for watching.